Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you the best way on how you can factory reset your Windows. So if you're having an issue with your Windows and you just want to simply reset this PC or reset your PC, then without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and here you'll find settings. Now, if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can directly make a search in the Windows search bar. Just simply type settings, click on it under the best match. Now, here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find system. Then you have to simply scroll down and you will find recovery, reset, advanced startup, go back. Now, here you'll find reset this PC. Click on reset PC. And this window will appear. Now you have two options on how you can reset your PC. It could be keep my files, removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. You can also click on remove everything. Now since we are going to make a fresh start with our Windows or our PC, then we have to click on remove everything. But it's up to you on what type of reset would you like to perform. Uh it could be keep my files or remove everything. It's up to you. Now, once you click on any of the choices, you will find cloud download and local reinstall. Now, if you are connected to an internet connection where there is a good speed like that, just simply click on cloud download and that will download and reinstall Windows. But if you don't have or if you're not connected to any internet connection, just simply click on local reinstall Windows from this device. And then after that, you just need to wait in a while and that will reset your PC. You will be this will be or your Windows will be reset or restarted like that. And then after that, you will have your Windows like a brand new. So that's it. That's how the you can best or that's how the best way you can reset your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.